Need fast access to accessibility tools without digging through settings? The Galaxy S25 Ultra lets you launch them instantly with a simple button combo. Just press the side and volume up buttons together. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Accessibility. Tap Accessibility, tap Advanced Setting, tap Side and Volume Up button. Choose the accessibility feature you want to assign to the shortcut. As the example, we will select Magnifier and Color Inversion. To see how it works, let's try enabling Color Inversion. To do so, press Side and Volume Up button together. And then select Color Inversion to easily enable it. With this shortcut, instead of searching through menu, just press the button and turn them on or off instantly. As a note, you can also enable this shortcut directly from within its accessibility feature setting. Super handy if you are setting it up for the first time. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.